Imagine this is the net here. Stay. Forward. Ready. Forward more. Yeah, do net play. Okay, again. Okay. Forehand here. Forehand. Okay, again. Don't worry. Back. All right. Okay, one more. Easy. Two things. Number one, you are using the wrist and tapping it, hitting, pushing. So look, you know plaster. Plaster in the hospital when the bone breaks, you hold it. How do you call it? Plaster?
Plaster.
Yeah, plaster. You have a plaster here. So you can't move like that.
Okay.
You can move like this. Like that. Look. Like that. But at the moment, you are hitting the shuttlecock like this.
Yeah.
Like that.
Yeah.
It's very difficult to control the net shot.
Yes.
So, not like that.
Okay.
Hold it.
Yeah.
Like that.
Okay. Like a plaster here.
Yes, on the wrist you have a plaster.
Oh.
So you can't move a wrist. You can do all together. Okay, watch me. I will demonstrate. Okay, here, look. There. Watch my wrist. There. Here. There. But you do. You tap it. Like that. That's why you can't control the height. So, together, stretch first, gently push up. Okay, so Nick, I will copy yours. How you do it? You surprise the shuttlecock by tapping it. So now, right way, don't use. Go, push, push. Okay, try. Ready? Right foot forward.
Right.
Yes, don't worry, step at the moment.
Okay.
So here, wait there. He will draw, you go, just push. Okay, ready, go. Yes, well done, that's good. Be higher. Okay, one more. Don't worry. You are doing very well. Yes. Now, one more thing. Now you are doing it right. Ready. One more. Go there. Okay, Nick, you go down a little bit too much. So like that. There. You're too much down. Go here, there. About your eyes height. So you go there, push. Okay, come. Stretch it. So ready? Shuttle come. You stretch it and push it up. Ready? Well done. Softer. Yes. Excellent. Can you show me the old way? Old way, please. Go. Old way. Again, one more. Yeah, so your tongue. Now, if you did right, I believe you changed it. Okay, now right way. Right way. Yes. Well done. One more, wrong way. Okay, one more, wrong way. Yeah, you see, shuttle goes up. Now right way. Yes. Bit earlier, higher. Too low. Little bit too low. Yeah, over here. Okay, again. There. Well done. Fantastic.